What's up, guys? So today I'm trying a weird combination. I saw this video suggesting that regular Lay's potato chips plus grapes, green grapes apparently, taste like fried chicken. Now I kind of don't think that's true, but we're gonna find out. Plain chips, green grapes. Give this a shot. All right, chip, grape, take a bite of each. Before I comment, I'm gonna try it again. God, the sun's right in my face. All right, green grape, Lay's potato chip. Maybe I need more chip. Surprisingly, that does not taste like fried chicken at all. That literally tastes like a green grape with chips. That was highly disappointing. I'll tell you, social media is something else, right? We're all on it. We're scrolling through, looking at dumb stuff like this. I had to try it. I thought that was total BS. I'm here to confirm it is total BS. If you happen to have some green grapes and regular Lay's chips, you try it out for yourself, but I do not get fried chicken. Now, I don't know where the grape really comes in. I would understand if like the chip is like the saltiness and the crunchiness of like, you know, the fried skin on fried chicken, but why would the grape bring in chicken flavor? Because that's what you're missing, obviously, is that chicken flavor, right? And obviously the seasonings that go in fried chicken. I'll give this one more shot before I go, to be fair. One more chip. A half a monster grape. All right. Well, let me just eat half the grape. They were pretty good. Tell you what, food is ridiculous, man. Went to the grocery store today. I don't want to sound like everyone else, but man, you just do not get much for your money. I spent, I think, $130 on groceries. I don't even know what I got. I got maybe 2 dinners, 3 dinners, a couple things for the household. Anyway, all right, here we go. Green grape, Lay's potato chip. Let's put the chip in first. Maybe that makes a difference. Oh, no. Grapes and chips. I mean, it's not a particularly good combo. It's not disgusting by any means, but it does not taste like fried chicken. So let me know if you ever tried one of those, you know, viral videos and it was just nothing like you expected. I'm sure a lot of times when I do like different soda flavors, I'm like, oh, this is pretty good. And someone tries it and I'm like, dude, that's disgusting. Well, difference of opinion. In this particular case, the goal is to taste like fried chicken, and I'm just not tasting it. It is what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.